Nepal is a young and dynamic country. Over a fifth of the population are between the ages of 16 and 25, and 4 in 10 people are between 16 and 40 years old. Young people in Nepal say that the number one challenge currently facing the country is unemployment, and yet employers say they are unable to recruit people with the right skills. These are the young people who will drive the country's growth and development as workers, entrepreneurs, and business owners. To do that, school leavers need the right skills. Skills that Nepal needs. Skills that are required in key sectors of the Nepal economy: construction, agriculture, and tourism. Producing high-quality skills training to meet the demands of the labor market is at the heart of the Dakshita program, a 5-year program funded by the European Union and delivered by the British Council in partnership with the Government of Nepal and CTVT. The Government of Nepal is committed to developing a modern and responsive TVET system that provides young people with a long-term job for the industries of today and tomorrow. This is why Dakshita is designed to strengthen policy and help improve how training is designed and delivered in partnership with the industry, making the system more responsive to labor market needs. This is why Dakshita is helping to build bridges with employers as they know best which skills are needed in the workplace to manage and grow their businesses. We are bringing training providers and private sector together so that they can help shape the training that young people receive. Dakshita is helping to develop Nepal's TVET system in 3 ways: supporting the National TVET Authority, the Council for Technical Education and Vocational Training (CTVT) to improve the quality of skills training in training colleges across the country. Working with the Government of Nepal to support governance and coordination of TVET and fostering meaningful dialogue with the private sector. Driving innovation in how employers are engaged in TVET by supporting practical public-private partnership through nationwide grants. And by supporting skills development in Nepal, Dakshita understands that everyone will benefit. Young people will enter the jobs market with the right skills for the jobs that are available. Employers will be better able to fill vacancies and plan for growth. Training providers will prosper because the courses will deliver the right skills that both students and employers need. Government will be better able to target funds at real needs, delivering sustainable jobs for the future. And Nepal will thrive with more businesses generating more jobs for a growing economy. Nepal is a young country with a bright future, a future of skilled people in sustainable employment, thriving businesses, and a growing economy.